In this video, we will look at some of the features included in the PunchSim and PunchSimPlus software. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications every time a new video is released. PunchSim and PunchSimPlus have been developed to simulate G-code programs for Amada turret punch presses. If you want to manually write a G-code program, verify an existing program, or just learn to program in G-code, PunchSim and PunchSimPlus were designed for these purposes. Although simulation is the main objective of the software, that's only part of its capabilities. Let's look at some of the powerful features that are included in both PunchSim and PunchSimPlus. First, let's open an existing G-code file and execute a simulation of that program. PunchSim and PunchSimPlus can simulate basic standard tooling such as rounds, squares, rectangles, oblongs, single Ds, double Ds, and can display other tooling by using a special tool icon. We can specify clamp positions and material size. We can slow down the simulation to see the sequence more clearly. We can turn the trace button on and see the travel lines between hits. This helps us visually trace the sequence of hits. We have the option of seeing what hits are produced by each line of the code by turning on the Lines button. We can then follow each line of punching as it simulates. If we want to see what a particular line of code does in our simulation, we can place the cursor on that line and simulate. The hits produced by that line will be highlighted in the simulation. The zoom function can be used to take a closer look at a particular area of the sheet. If we want to verify the resulting simulation, we can use the inspect function. We can measure between the center of two hits anywhere on the sheet. This will give us the coordinates of each point, the total distance between 2 points, the difference in X, the difference in Y, and the angle. We can create a new G-code program by typing it in the editor window or modify an existing program. The simulation will show us the result. As we type a G-code in the editor window, the software automatically displays a quick reference for that particular G-code at the bottom of the screen. The software also displays a tool hit counter as it simulates, so you know how many hits your program produces. The software is compatible with inch or metric G-code, with or without decimal points. This can be selected in the software setup, along with display modes. The time estimation function will display a report with an estimate of the total punching time on the machine, the total number of hits, the total number of tool changes, and the total distance traveled. The software also includes an advanced calculator. Also included is a bend deduction calculator. Another feature in the software is a punch force calculator. For machine models that require RS-232 communication, PunchSim and PunchSimPlus also include a function to send a G-code file to the control via the RS-232. All the functions we have seen so far are included in both PunchSim and PunchSimPlus. Now let's look at the extra features included only in the PunchSimPlus software. One of the features included in PunchSimPlus is that it can convert a program written in the Amada G-code language to simple XY hits. Using the Convert to Single Hits function, we can convert an existing program to simple XY hits and save it. When we open the new program, we see that it is all now XY hits. The resulting simulation is the same. Another major function that is included in PunchSimPlus is that it can convert and export a simulation to a DXF file. Using the Export DXF function, a DXF file is created which includes all the entities in the simulation. You can then use your favorite CAD software to open the created drawing. This is an efficient tool for reverse engineering existing G-code programs. PunchSim and PunchSimPlus are compatible with Windows 7 and higher. Our software is used in technical schools as well as shops all over the world. For parts programming, learning G-code, verification, and reverse engineering, PunchSim and PunchSimPlus are great tools for students, machine operators, programmers, and engineers. For more details on PunchSim and PunchSimPlus, visit us at cncsoft.com. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below or email us directly at support@cncsoft.com. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications every time a new video is released.